So guys, it's really simple to make 3D rotation, tilt, and also using the same formula we can make cool shadow. So let's do it. Let's bring the background first, then bring our picture. Now select the picture layer. Now click on effect. If your effect is not here, click on this button, then go to effects. Then here search for basic 3D. Left click, hold, drag and drop over the clip. Now go to top left, effect control, or click on here. From here effect control, scroll down, showable, change it for 3D rotation, and for tilt change the position or the anchor point. To change the position, hold alt, left click, drag to duplicate. Let's search for shadow, drop shadow. Left click, hold, drag and drop over the lower clip. Scroll down, check shadow only. Go to basic 3D. Let's tilt it, change the anchor point. Also, if we want, we can animate it. Let's animate the tilt. So guys, it's really that simple. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.